Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to un-notification Microsoft Outlook in computer. So how to un-notification Microsoft Outlook in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To un-notification in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the General menu. Now in the General menu there are many menus. Tap the Notification menu. Now there is already a notification menu. Tap to on by pressing Notification in Outlook. Now this is finished on notification in Microsoft Outlook. So you can get notifications when there is an email or incoming message from someone else or your friend, so it makes it easier for you to use Microsoft Outlook. So that's it, tutorial how to on Microsoft Outlook notifications in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.